Today we'll be going through some PYQs of CDS and NDA in active and passive voice. ये ज़्यादातर आते हैं questions, around 10 questions will come for CDS, 5 questions will come from NDA. So यहाँ पे primary questions क्या होते हैं? We have to convert a sentence from active voice to passive voice. नहीं तो we have to convert from passive to active. So आज हम लोग इतने questions करने वाले हैं. So basic thing about active and passive is that the subjects get interchanged. हमें before going into this PYQs, I'll just cover a few points to be noted by everyone when you are doing any question related to this. आपको पहले ये चीज जानना पड़ेगा, identify कौन से subjects है. यहाँ पे we see a subject here. आपको verb identify करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद you have to be interchanging the subjects. यहाँ पे कोई दूसरा subject हुआ और यहाँ पे आ गया, this will come here, this will come here. अभी पहला चीज we have to identify the subject. उसके अलावा the subject का position gets interchanged. Position change हो जाता है. उसके अलावा the second thing is that the verb changes in terms of tense. Most of the time it changes to V3. That is past participle. उसके अलावा आपको additional auxiliary words add करने होंगे. So we'll be going through all this. कुछ exceptions भी है, वो भी हम लोग देख लेंगे. Tense you have to consider with respect to the verb as well. अभी पहला question क्या है? First thing is respect your elders. It's a very simple question. Elders come here. Elders आ गए. Obviously, so this gets removed. This is just a simple fact. This is also active voice. Passive करना है तो इन दोनों में से एक होगा. अब this is a, यहाँ पे elders are respected is also a fact. यहाँ पे आप किसी को बोल रहे हो, this is a directive. Elders should be respected. Elders यहाँ आ गए, respect यहाँ आ गया. The tense it changed. Verb का जो tense है वो change हो गया. That's it. अभी second question we have to change this from active to passive voice. अब हम ये कैसे करेंगे? As shut it comes here. अभी door यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Now shut the door में this is a command. The second let the door be shut. ये एक simple fact है. The door be shut. उसमें कुछ missing है, so this gets excluded. यहाँ पे main thing is आपका motive has to be the same. Active और passive में convert करने के बाद भी meaning of the sentence must not change. यहाँ पे है shut the door. The door is to be shut and then let the door be shut. तो जब आप answers देखोगे यहाँ पे it speaks. It's a command. So the correct will be let the door be shut. The door is to be shut is a command. यहाँ पे आप किसी को बोल रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी आप किसी को बोल रहे हो let the door be shut. So one way apart from finding active passive voice के transitions, apart from the help of grammar, आपको उसका meaning भी देख सकते हो. That is like a shortcut for clearing this very quickly. Time के limit के अंदर. अभी the next question is Sujata was advised by her mother to carry an umbrella while stepping out into the rain. अभी यहाँ पे है though there will be a subject. यहाँ पे you have to identify subject क्या है. अब ये है from passive to active. पहले हम कर रहे थे active to passive. अभी हम उसका reverse करेंगे. सुजाता एक आ गया. The second is mother. Mother would come first. Was advised to carry an umbrella. This thing will stand the same. आपका मेन फोकस इसमें जाने वाला है. सुजाता was advised. अब इसमें her mother, the mother. इसमें आपको ज्यादा डिटेल में जानने की जरूरत नहीं. यहाँ पे her mother है, यहाँ पे her mother है. This is the correct one. This is not the. ये correct होता अगर यहाँ पे the mother होता. So directly the correct option is A. When we go on to the next question, we have to change this from passive to active. He was said to be a good cricketer. अब इसमें हमें क्या करना है? The first step you have to do, good cricketer remains the same. He was said. अब इसमें he was said ये एक यूनिक फॉर्म आ जाता है. He was said, ऐसे बहुत टर्म्स आएंगे. It was told. ये एक जनरल आइडिया होता है. इसमें आ जाएगा they said he is a good cricketer, they said he was. ये एक स्टेटमेंट है. He is a good cricketer. So this will be wrong. No change. We can let that be. We can let that be for now. They said he is. Why is this wrong? को टेंस देखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे was है, यहाँ पे is है. Second में यहाँ पे this is was. They said he was a good cricketer. So the correct option is option B. Chalo, let's see if it's correct or not. Third one is, as said, her mother advised. Instead of going too much into details, शुरू से ही आप देख लीजिए. her mother, the mother. आप elimination करके ये आगे जा सकते हैं. So question number 4. They said he was a good cricketer. That's it. Abhi for the next question, we have to change from passive to active. His hair is being cut by a professional. अब एक्टिव टू पैसिव, पैसिव टू एक्टिव, आपका मेन चीज ये है कि यू हैव टू इंटरचेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट और रिसीवर चेंज हो जाता है. His hair is being cut by a professional. Cut is the verb here. आपने verb आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. वर्ब के साथ आपको एसोसिएट करना है कि वर्ब कौन से टेंस में है. इज इट इन पास्ट टेंस, इज इट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस? यू हैव टू डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली. प्रोफेशनल आ जाएगा पहले. दिस इज द सेकेंड, दिस इज द फर्स्ट. हिज इज द फर्स्ट, प्रोफेशनल इज द सेकेंड. अभी प्रोफेशनल में यू विल सी द मेन थिंग इज एक्टिव पैसिव में आपको बहुत ज्यादा डेविएट नहीं करना है. You don't have to deviate the sentence too far away. His hair is being cut by a professional. First option क्यों नहीं होगा? First option is saying professional will be cutting his hair. Future tense ये है present continuous. His hair is being cut. Continuous. A professional is cutting a hair. इन दोनों में है future tense. आप बस tense identify कीजिए. That's another way to check which is the correct option. यहाँ पे correct option हो गया option B. Now when we go ahead with the question 6, every question has a few things that you have to notice. अभी यहाँ पे the hard part is reading the whole thing. We get very confused when you're reading the whole thing. The main thing is don't rush. Read it clearly. The members of the parliament elect their group leader either by consensus or by voice vote. यहाँ पे identify the verb. Verb is elect. Second, एक subject आपको मिल गया. Members of the parliament. This is group leader. ये this is an added term clause. अभी आपको इसमें फोकस करना पड़ेगा. This is speaking about कैसे करते हैं. We can let that be for now. The members of the parliament elect their group leader. We have to now bring this. यहाँ पे this is active. This will be, we have to choose the correct passive voice. Group leader पहले आ गया. Done. उसके बाद members of the parliament आ गए यहाँ पे. Is it in its correct thing? ये obviously गलत है because ये भी active voice में ही है. First one gets eliminated. अभी members of the parliament आ गया. We have located the position of this. It has come here. Now we have to focus on the verb. Verb है यहाँ पे is elected. यहाँ पे है was elected and यहाँ पे है has been elected. This is present tense, this is past tense and this is past perfect tense. अभी आपको कौन से करेक्ट टेंस डालना है उसके लिए यू हैव टू गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है? क्वेश्चन में इट इज अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। तो हमें पैसिव में टेंसेस में you change the tense only for the verb and you have to add auxiliary verb. You don't change the tense of the entire sentence when you are going shifting active to passive or passive to active. यहाँ पे if it's present then we have to focus on a group leader is elected. So the correct one is option A. It would have been was elected अगर यहाँ पे भी past tense था, has been elected अगर यहाँ पे भी past perfect था. The nature of the verb will change. It may V2 may become V3. How does it? If I say she swam and okay, for example, if I write she sang a song. This is a simple past. इसको हम passive में convert करेंगे. A song, we'll take this first. A song. This will become V3. A song has been sung by her. Now, since this is done, we'll go ahead. Abhi, second question is quite the same. All examinees have answered one particular question in the long answer writing. यहाँ पे पहले you identify ये है पहला subject. We have to convert this from active to passive. All examinees have answered one. Okay, we have to convert this from active to passive. आपने ये ढूंढ लिया. उसके बाद this is the second receiver. This is the verb that's happening. ये इधर आ जाएगा. So option C is eliminated. Option C itself is a active voice. अभी all examinees आप देख लीजिए, it's all correct. ये जो है additional clause, this remains the same everywhere. Now look at the word. This is past, is answered, was answered, has been answered. अब इसका correct क्या होगा? इसमें you have to understand one more loophole. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? This is the correct option D. Has been answered. Why is it has been answered? Because यहाँ पे this is past perfect. This is also past perfect. ये past, ये present है. This is not present, so this gets cancelled. अभी आपने यहाँ पे subject का position देख लिया. You have looked for the verb. You have looked for the tense. ये नहीं होगा. ये भी नहीं होगा. You have to consider one thing very जो बहुत लोग mistake करते हैं. All examiners is plural, because of which this becomes have. Now when we change the position, हम subject को end में देके receiver को जब front में लगाते हैं, तब you have to see कि is it singular or plural. This is a singular term, so you have to be very careful कि आपने यहाँ पे have नहीं डाल दिया. You have to consider this as well कि objects जब interchange हो रहे हैं subject और receiver, is it singular or plural, and you have to make the changes accordingly. Likewise, a writer who passed away recently has authorized a dozen novels and a number of poetry collections. यहाँ पे identify the subject. We have to convert this from active to passive tense. दूसरा would be the second subject is this. This is basically the bundle of books which she has written. Passed away recently एक verb है, second verb है authored. She passed away recently, उन्होंने ये सब author किया, तो यहाँ पे दो verbs है. We don't have to make it too complicated. Writer will come in the last. Writer, आपको ये एक साथ अटैच करना पड़ेगा। तो राइटर यहाँ पे आ गया, दिस इज डन। उसके बाद a dozen novels, it comes in the first. All clear? अभी when we are solving this, the correct option is given A. यहाँ पे क्या है, why are the other options not correct although सब कुछ quite similar है? The first thing is we have dozen novels have been authored from here. Verb और object हमने attach कर लिया है, यहाँ पे हमने attach कर लिया है, यहाँ पे has है. So when we bring here a dozen novels and a number of poetry have been authored by the writer who passed away. Here we have to consider only one thing. पहले आप tense देखो. This was in past tense, past perfect. ये भी past perfect है. This is simple past. This is wrong. Had been authored by the writer who passed away recently. This is also wrong. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें consider करना है have been. This is plural. पहले, what I said to the previous question, पहले this was a singular writer, so it was has. When it shifted, novels, number of poetry, it becomes plural. So have been is the only correct. यहाँ पे have का और कोई option है नहीं. Had been authored नहीं होगा. This will be past perfect. So the correct option is option A. Now when we go to the next question, shut the door. This is a command. अभी ये सब आप eliminate कर सकते हो. While you're approaching these questions, you have to see which makes the most sense. उसके बाद आप वो given the short time that we have for attempting, see what makes the most sense, then verify कि आपका grammar match हो रहा है नहीं. Shut the door. Door यहाँ पे है. Door. This is the verb. यहाँ पे second, तो पहला जो subject का है, that is not there. So door will come first. That is it. उसके बाद shut the door ये नहीं होगा. This is also active. We have to consider and convert from active to passive. The door, clear? The door is shut is a general statement. यहाँ पे आप command कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे एक general statement है. So this is also cancelled. This is also cancelled. अभी the door be shut. The door be shut is not grammatically correct. यहाँ पे you're asking someone to shut the door. You can see the apostrophes. So यहाँ पे let the door be shut. That will be the correct one here. That is it. Abhi for the next question and final, India won freedom with the blood and sweat of hundreds and thousands of Indians. अभी इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We identified पहला, we have to convert this from active to passive. We identified first subject. अब बहुत लोग confuse हो जाते हैं subject. They'll try to link it somewhere here. Maybe Indians is the subject. दूसरा जो मतलब receiver है. So it's not necessary कि receiver हमेशा end में ही होता है. Can be here also. इंडिया ने क्या जीता? Freedom. This is कैसे जीता? That is an additional clause which will not be changed much. तब और यहाँ पे है word ये. Now freedom will come first. ये भी active है. This goes wrong. It will be neither of these. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? This is simple past. Freedom was won by hundreds with their blood and sweat and tears. Freedom was won by Indian with the blood. अब यहाँ पे इन दोनों में क्या है? It won't be had been. Had been gets eliminated because this is a simple past. And this option number B is past perfect. So the second one also gets eliminated. Abhi between option C and D, which one is the correct? Freedom was won by India with the blood and sweat of hundreds and thousands of Indians. As I said, आप इसमें कोई change नहीं करोगे. आप ऑलरेडी एक वर्ब को चेंज कर रहे हो, इसमें आप मॉडिफाई नहीं करोगे. द मेन एम इस एक्टिव से पैसिव में आप जितना कम रिविजन्स कर सकते हैं आप वो कर सकते हैं. वो best hota hai. You are not going to alter the complete sentence, you're only going to modify it. So with the blood and sweat of hundreds. So this is exactly what's given here. So the correct option will be option number C. So correct option is option C. That's it for now. The main thing is from active to passive voice is very simple. लेकिन कुछ exceptions होते हैं because of which we need to revise it again. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a good day.